Samsung's new flagship phones were announced yesterday, and today I got my hands on both the Galaxy S7 and the Galaxy S7 Edge. Physically, the phones look nearly identical to the previous generation S6 and S6 Edge, but there are subtle differences up close. The new phones are rounder, and both feature backs with curved edges. This helps a lot to make the phones more comfortable to hold, although they're both still slippery thanks to their glass backs. See the Galaxy S7 in our mega gallery below. Both phones are a hair thicker than their predecessors, but it's barely noticeable. The increased thickness is due to the phone's water and dust resistance and a bigger battery. The 5.1 Galaxy S7 features a 3,000 mAh battery, while the 5.5 Galaxy S7 Edge features a 3,600 mAh unit. I dunked the phones into a shallow fountain and they shrugged off the water without problem. This is impressive considering there's no need for awkward-looking flaps over the phone's ports. Don't expect to go swimming with the Galaxy S7, but bar accidents will be non-issue. Samsung's AMOLED screens are gorgeous, with vibrant colors and deep blacks. Resolution stays the same at Quad HD, 2560x1440, but the Galaxy S7 features an always-on display that shows you time, notifications, and calendar events. Samsung claims the always-on screen will only use up 1% of your battery over a day. The company achieves this by only lighting up the pixels on the screen it needs, instead of lighting up the entire screen. Perhaps the biggest change between the Galaxy S6 and S7 is the camera. The unsightly camera bump on the old phone is nearly gone, though the camera still has a slight bump. Internally, Samsung downgraded the megapixel count from 16 to 12 this year, but that decrease in megapixel has helped the camera in low-light photography. The camera features a f1.7 aperture with bigger pixels on the sensor to soak up more light. Samsung also worked on getting the camera to focus quicker, and it has paid off. In my brief time with the phones, I came away impressed with the focus speed when transitioning from photographing something up close to taking a landscape of the city. On the software front, both Galaxy S7 phones are rocking the latest Android 6.0 Marshmallow. TouchWiz is still a colorful mess of bloat, but you can at least theme the operating system to suit your style. The Galaxy S7 Edge gets more of a software update by allowing you to do and see more with its Edge feature. You will be able to store more apps and shortcuts in the Edge drawer, and Yahoo gives you headlines and sports scores. Both phones felt extremely quick thanks to the Snapdragon 820 processor and 4GB of RAM.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night.